Welcome to the July 3rd flyover of the Gordie Howe International Bridge project. The Gordie Howe Bridge has reached a monumental milestone. In June, ironworkers and operating engineers completed the installation of the final edge girders, officially connecting the bridge decks on both sides of the Detroit River. This historic moment marked the bridge as an official international crossing, linking Windsor, Ontario and Detroit, Michigan. Currently, the construction of the Gordie Howe Bridge is focused on several key activities as the project moves forward. As of July 2024, the midspan closure is completely closed and installing the concrete between the preformed concrete slabs will officially complete the bridge deck on this amazing international crossing. The deck is fully connected. While this achievement is cause for celebration, there's still a substantial amount of work ahead before the bridge opens to traffic. Over the next year, crews will be busy with critical tasks, including re-stressing of stay cables, post-tensioning of the deck, installation of electrical and fire suppression systems, setting up drainage systems, placing barriers and signage, installing lighting, paving the deck, and adding pavement markings. This $6.4 billion infrastructure marvel promises to revolutionize cross-border travel and commerce between Canada and the United States. The bridge was originally scheduled to be completed and open to traffic by the end of 2024. However, in January 2024, officials announced that the project timeline had been revised due to challenges related to the COVID pandemic. In addition to the deck connection, substantial work is ongoing at both the Canadian and U.S. ports of entry. This includes utility installations, painting, carpet installation, and concrete paving. The Michigan interchange is also progressing significantly. The bridge is on track for completion in September 2025, with the first vehicles expected to travel across it that fall. That said, I wonder if they are not ahead of schedule. The 2023-2024 winter was mild, allowing work to continue without the constant interruption of snow, ice, and bone-chilling cold to slow them down. I guess we wait and see. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to bridge nations and build the future of international transportation. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.